Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a stunning and easy to grow leafy green, ruby red leaf lettuce. This vibrant variety isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's also packed with nutrients, easy to grow, and perfect addition to any garden. Did you know that the ruby red leaf lettuce grows back after harvesting? That's right, you don't have to uproot the whole plant. If you cut the outer leaves and leave the base intact, it will continue producing fresh, tender leaves for weeks. A great way to enjoy continuous harvest for just a few plants. Lettuce has been cultivated for over 4,000 years, with origins tracing back to ancient Egypt. Over time, different varieties emerged, with red leaf lettuce becoming particularly popular due to its high anthocyanin content, which gives it its striking red color. Ruby red leaf lettuce is a more modern cultivar bred for its deep red hue, mild flavor, and crisp texture. It has gained popularity in home gardens because it's heat tolerant, fast growing, and visually stunning, making it a top choice for both beginner and experienced gardeners. This variety of lettuce is known for its loose, frilly leaves that range in color from deep burgundy to bright ruby red, often with a green base. Unlike head lettuces like iceberg, ruby red leaf lettuce forms a loose rosette, allowing for easy growing of individual leaves. Its crunchy texture and mild, slightly sweet flavor make it perfect for salads, wraps, and sandwiches. Plus, that vibrant red pigment isn't just for looks, it's also packed with antioxidants that help fight inflammation and boost overall health. One of the best things about ruby red leaf lettuce is it's easy to grow, prefers full sun, but can tolerate partial shade, especially in hot climates. Loose, well-draining soil with plenty of organic matter. Needs consistent moisture, keep the soil evenly moist but avoid waterlogging. Thrives in cooler weather, making it perfect for spring and fall plantings. It can tolerate some heat but grows best between 45 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. A balanced organic fertilizer or compost will promote steady growth. Avoid too much nitrogen as it can lead to excessive leaf growth with less color development. Since ruby red leaf lettuce grows quickly, you can succession plant every couple of weeks for continuous harvest. This lettuce variety makes a great companion plant in the garden. It pairs well with carrots, radishes, onions, garlic, strawberries, and herbs like basil and cilantro. Lettuce also does well in containers and raised beds, making it a versatile choice for small space gardeners. Ruby red leaf lettuce can be used in the kitchen in a variety of ways, including salads, wraps, sandwiches, juices, smoothies, and as a garnish. It's high in antioxidants, vitamins A and K, and fiber. It's super healthy addition to any diet. And that's everything you need to know about ruby red leaf lettuce. Whether you're growing it for its stunning color, fast growth, or delicious flavor, it's a fantastic choice for any home garden. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more gardening tips. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.